There's a 14th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2. It's the easier set of reading writing question. The question is, which choice most logically completes the text? You want to make your prediction. The passage is talking about mosquito repellents, and the problem with them is that mosquitoes develop resistance, and so you need new repellents. So they found this molecular component in the chrysanthemum-flower extract that activates just one odor receptor, which is called OR31, and it's present in all mosquitoes species known to carry diseases. Therefore, the researchers suggest that developing new repellents would be most useful for, well, since they develop resistance, we'd need other molecular components that also target OR31. Then you'd be wiping out, keeping away all of those mosquitoes that carry diseases. Answer choice A is your answer, because that's what it says. Identify molecular components similar to EVF that target the activation of OR31 receptors. See the following video, including why the wrong is wrong. Check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center video just above this. Have a great day. It's on the playlist.